Big week ahead for Bitcoin, boys. We got Jolts, NFP, Powell's gonna speak. So if you want to know how I'm going to trade Bitcoin this week, make sure to watch this video.
All right, so we've got a lot of high impact news this week. Let's make a plan and let's go through them. All right, so we got Jolt's job openings and I think ISM. We also have FOMC. Powell is under pressure. This release could shake the dollar and gold. Um, for Friday, though, markets are closed and we've got NFP. I think they move it, so the dates here probably wrong. Plus, you gotta watch out for the Canada tariff. Now, I think Trump is tweeting again about the tariffs with Canada, so you have to watch out for that. All right. So let's double check on our economic calendar for trading view. Let's close that. And so today, I think we don't have news today for Monday. We just have Chicago PMI. That's I think these are not red folders, but yeah, we got some news though. I don't know if it's gonna shake the markets though. All right, so let's go back. Okay, so for Tuesday tomorrow, we got the job openings, jolts, and then we have the ISM manufacturing PMI. Wednesday, no red folder, or I think there's a red folder for Wednesday. I gotta double check, but oh, they moved the NFP. So NFP is gonna be on Thursday instead of Friday because Independence Day on Friday. All right. Okay. So let's make a plan how we're going to trade Bitcoin this week. Looking at the chart so far, a weekly candle last week's very, very bullish, like straight up. But what I don't what I don't like is that it doesn't have a wick, so that's why I didn't short here. I was thinking that this could just be, a massive resistance or like a trend line channel, right? Like this and here. But I didn't short last week because there was like no clear SFP or like wick, right? And looking at the daily, same here. So I still didn't short, although we did reject from the top daily, and I was kind of waiting for this top weekly right here. So overall, I think Bitcoin could still go higher and finally reach to our, I think in the coming months, of course, I think we're probably gonna reach this level right here, 4.55 STDs from these lows right here. So kind of nice that we're actually just ranging up here. What I want to see for Bitcoin is just to break out of this range and just continue slowly grind up or like a massive candle blow off top before the year ends, right? All right, so let's look at the daily. Oh, both sell side were taken, then massive bump. So I wish I long here honestly, but I was kind of waiting for my levels like this too, but I guess we got front ran and it just went up. So I missed this long right here, but weekly was very, very clear. I think this was like the discount already. Yeah, discount level plus the FVG right there. Yeah, discount and weekly FVG. I mean, come on, that's like one of the best supports already. So kind of sad that I missed that long daily. Um for the daily, I think there could be some trades down here. All right. So well, swing up to the 6 hour. It's pulling back right now. We do have massive FVG below. Let's go to this lower time frames. 4 hour. Okay. Um, I now see what I want to trade. Let me just look at the volume profile on this main range right here. So we're basically holding the point of control on this range. Okay. I want to go down to the 1 hour. Oh, you gotta be careful too, because I feel like this is like a Bart pattern, right? Bart Simpson's pattern right here could be not. We could just go higher. That's why I'm very careful with shorts, because Nasdaq and ES is just like smashing their all-time highs and just continue making new all-time high every day. So we gotta be careful with shorting. All right. Okay, let me pull up my volume profile again. But if we use this range, okay, same. Yeah, oil control is here because it keeps rejecting. Now, what I want to see is for this to actually hold and go up, right? There could be some New York could pull some like quick flush too. I want to see. Okay, I have a plan. I think this would be nice to take out these poor lows right here. So if Bitcoin could give us, hold on, let me just delete that. Okay. Let me look at my levels for the day. All right. So, let's pull some fib locally. All right. So, this would be a nice continuation long for Bitcoin somewhere in this area. I wanna see like a quick flush SFP and go higher and possibly go to this tap weekly. All right, that is a 1:7 trade. So you wanna what you want is for them to take everyone out here and clear SFP and go higher. So very very simple setup, clear trade. That's my first trade of the week that I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna set an alarm right there. If this model doesn't work, we're probably, if this doesn't hold, we don't see like a quick bounce, it's probably gonna take these guys out and even this guys out. So you gotta be careful. Let's look at the fib right here. Okay. So I will put an alert too. I will just update you guys throughout the week if anything changes on my TA or my setups. Let's fold the fib. I mean, volume profile. What if I don't include that? Okay, what if I include that? All right, so another trade idea would be at this level. We have the discount here, OTE 0.7, and we also have like, oops, we also have a naked POC down here. So could be something. Just mark out these levels and wait for a reaction. So uh let me change this to a long box and another long box. All right. So this is gonna be the first trade that I'm gonna take. If I see a clear bounce or strength or SFP, if it's just gonna come down, I'm not gonna take this. All right. You better be careful. Next two trades that I'm gonna watch is the OTE discount from this low to this high right here, and we also have this level right there of this move up the volume profile, and we have this massive POC from the move from this move to this high hip hip What if I don't include that? Still the same. So even if I don't include this here, like just this one, POC is still gonna be there. So all right, this is gonna be a sweet, sweet long. Obviously, if these levels don't hold, I'm probably gonna wanna see what's the reaction at the previous week equilibrium. We got a 4-hour FVG there. We got a monthly open there. So this is probably gonna be a big ass support. All right. So very easy trades. I'm not gonna be like biased on the shorts, honestly, because Nasdaq and ES are just like hammering through the sky, guys. So I mean, this could be still a short here at the top weekly. Plus, we have a naked BOC up here. We could put another box, honestly. Just be careful with shorts. Just like quick scalp, quick in and out, because the fact that it's holding right here, it's probably gonna break out in the coming weeks or months. So you probably want to get into a long. All right, so clear plan. Yeah, wait, let me actually just make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, so the 105, 500 up to even like 300. Yeah. All right. So these are the levels that I'm looking at. If they don't hold, we're probably gonna come lower. Previous week open, previous week low, and maybe even at this level, right? Finally, my levels that was front ran, so you gotta watch out for that. All right, so let's look at the daily again. So we already have some long boxes right here. Obviously, we want Bitcoin to continue higher so that our altcoins will go higher as well. So yeah, pretty simple plan for this week, boys. I have 3 boxes and daily setup right there for New York, which I'm gonna wait, and some 2 shorts up here, just quick scalp, and hopefully we go higher this week. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We do have a Discord group. Links will be down below. So see you on the next one. Bye bye.